Hello guys!
Yeah, and then you push up.
Happy Sabbath afternoon. Naglaag mi na ami sa Dover, Kansas. Na ami sa ano ni? Eco Cliff Park. It's our first time over here with the girls and our church family. And look at that around.
I think I have already lost my count. My count is going down.
So we can swim in here. So this is how we spend our Sabbath rest day, guys. Just exploring nature. It's really nice in here. It's not hot at all. And there's water. I think there's people swimming in here. Oh yeah.
How do you get it to stick?
Huh? Who, me? You get a flat one like this.
It looks deep.
You get a flat one like this.
Abigail. Good job.
Yeah, that's kind of flat. Yep.
We have
Here, Kara, like this. This is a good
people
flat one.
over
See
here
how
too.
flat that is? Move, scoot back. And then you have to throw it hard. And
Oh, look at you, Daddy. You're so good
Look at that rock. Oh my goodness. Girl, it's so nice.
I know, right?
It is so pretty.
We should go there like not on a Sabbath so we can. The kids, look at
Climb?
the other kids. You can
Oh,
just.
swimming, yeah.
Mine flattened. Look how is mine flat.
We can come back in here like,
yeah, that's
Sundays. And then we can bring some food. We go grill in there.
September 10.
Huh? September 10?
Oh, September
It is a
11
Sunday.
Sabbath. That's my birthday.
Yes.
What's
No,
September
12, which is Sunday.
10? What's September
So we're
10?
gonna celebrate the her birthday over here.
Hannah's birthday is the 10th. I'm the 11th.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What do we care?
I care. It's my birthday.
It's the big day.
Say hi. Say hi.
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 Why do we the rock?
Okay, go. Don't throw the rock to people. Okay.
Look at this one.
We can bring our chairs too, just to sit down here.
Here,
Uh-huh.
what's this?
Look, oh, 3 times.
That was more than
So you know what? I can't even search this place in the Google.
Oh,
Try to put it in the map.
it won't do
It
it.
won't do it.
You have to be smart.
Look at the rock, guys. It's like, ooh, really pretty. It's like,
I thought Australia was
Atara and Abigail, come. Smile at me, please. Atara, come here. Atara, go get close to Abigail. Smile. Girls, smile, girls. Atara and Abigail.
What, the
where
girls
is
don't want to
this?
come down?
I don't know. Hannah, Destiny,
1, 2.
Destiny.
Atara, your face is, you're covering your face.
I'm not gonna go. Come here, guys.
Nice face. I can even see your face, Atara. You're covering
Who's on the iPad?
You,
Who's
me
on?
recording. You know it's. You know it reminds me home.
Is this your YouTube channel?
Yeah. You know it reminds me home. Coming down. Coming down here. It's like we're like back home in the Philippines. Yes.
I told Kira, I don't know if I still know how to go down this way.
No, it's not a fall.
Huh?
I'll push you over and you can fall. Then it'll be a fall.
How flat is mine? How flat?
Sabi. Alright guys, bye for now. God bless all.